Hello, welcome to Vigilant online workshop. Today's topic is blind SQL injection, which is advanced SQL injection. In this attack, we are not going to use any kind of tool. We are just using one simple browser and some vulnerable websites. So before starting this, before elaborating this attack, I would like to show you one example so that we'll come to know how does this exactly work. First, I would like to serve through encrypted.google.com. So it would be a secure browsing. Now I know one URL which is vulnerable to SQL injection. Let me tell you guys, don't attempt this SQL injection or any kind of attack on live URLs. I would like to tell you that you may get caught, or you have to be secure and you have to be untraceable. See, this is the URL where exactly this vulnerability belongs. Over here I would like to put here one special character so that I would like to check whether it is vulnerable or not. If it is accepting this special characters, it will throw an error. It's like it is accepting that special character as an input, and otherwise it will show me as usual page, a normal page. Let's see. Over here you can see click here option was there. Right now it is not present over here. It means this URL is vulnerable. So I would like to check at which point of columns it is vulnerable. So I would like to apply some SQL queries, that is order by and some column number. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have to check at which column it is throwing an error. See, till 6 this page is normal. Okay, I'll apply 7. Now here you can see at the point of 7 it is showing me an error. It means it is having vulnerability till the column number 6. So right now we'll apply some extra queries so that we'd like to see which are the outputs of we are retrieving through URL itself. So the very first would be union select, so that it will tell me from which column that records are coming. See, the records which was present over here is coming from column number 2. From here it's 4 and from here it's 3. If I put some functions over here like database name at the point of 2 column number, then it must show me the result of this query at over here. Let's see. Now we can see the database name is bzu. Now we'll apply some extra queries so that we'll be able to receive some more outputs from table itself. Group concat to check the table name which are present in this query. Table name from information schemas. Information schemas are nothing but it shows how tables are connected each other, how related they are to each other. Information schemas dot tables, so that we'll be allowed to receive all the table names on this page itself. Over you can see these are the columns, these are the tables which are present in the database. Okay, of course they are having some admin logins, so that they'll be allowed to log in through admin. Then they must be having with the name column users. So we'll elaborate more so that we'll come to know whether these tables are present or not. Over here now we have to put the table name so that we'll come to know the columns, the exact columns which are present in that table schema is equal to the database name, that is VZU. These are the columns again which are present in that table. Over here you can see users are the table which are present in that database. That users must be having some usernames and password in that. Now I would like to check which are the columns present in that particular table. So instead of table name, we'll put column name, information schema dot, instead of tables we'll put columns, where I know the table name, that is username, so that it will be where table underscore name would be, of course, users. This is a query, so that it will show me which are the columns present in that table. See, these are the columns which are present under that table. Now I would like to check which are the username and password in that table, all the records. So I'll concat those two columns over here, that is username. I'll separate this with the colon, and next would be password. From I know the table name, that is users. Right? Over here you can see these are the username and passwords. This is the username and this is a colon which are separating this username and passwords. These passwords are under encryption of MD5 algorithm, so that anyone cannot log in this account. That's all about blind SQL injection. Thank you very much.